Spirits cannot brazenly visit casinos.
All in on red. So, this is the place in the city where people in fortune come and go the most, huh? It would appear that this amusement center uses currency to create a world for extravagant spending. Well, everything about this world must pale in comparison to my glory. Having blind faith in me won't serve you. Which direction will you choose? No matter. I have a friend, alongside whom I should fully enjoy this Holy Grail war. I shall go all in on black.
I'll go all in on black as well. Thank you. I'll return this fortune to your garden, King Gilgamesh.
Interesting. I see you're no ordinary mongrel.